Ever wondered how millions of tons of peanuts are transformed into the creamy, irresistible peanut butter you spread on your toast every morning? This isn't just about harvesting nuts, it's an intricate journey filled with precision, advanced machinery, and dedicated people working together to turn raw produce into a delicious staple. Get ready to dive into the fascinating process where nature and technology meet to create a treat enjoyed by millions. Imagine standing at the edge of an expansive peanut farm where rows upon rows of thriving peanut plants stretch as far as the eye can see. At first glance, the scene appears calm and serene, yet beneath this quiet exterior lies a well-coordinated operation. Farmers carefully plan every step, from nurturing the soil to monitoring the growth of each peanut plant. Simultaneously, engineers and technicians manage state-of-the-art equipment designed to optimize every harvest. In today's exploration, we'll follow the entire journey from the field to the processing plant and finally to the packaging of that smooth, irresistible peanut butter. This is the story of how raw, humble peanuts become a beloved food item through a series of detailed, organized steps. As the first light of dawn touches the vast peanut fields, the day begins with meticulous preparations. Farmers and field technicians emerge early to inspect the acres of peanut plants. They walk between the rows, checking for signs of healthy growth and ensuring that each plant receives just the right amount of water and nutrients. Advanced sensors and irrigation systems are activated to maintain optimal soil conditions, while seasoned workers assess the readiness of the crop by examining the foliage and the developing peanut pods. This initial phase is crucial because a successful harvest depends on the precise balance of nature and human care. Every detail is noted, ensuring that the machinery and manual labor are coordinated for maximum yield. As the morning fully unfolds, huge, technologically advanced harvesters roll into the fields. These machines, engineered with precision, gently loosen the peanut plants from the soil and lift them carefully, minimizing damage to the valuable pods. In unison with the mechanized harvesters, teams of workers guide the process, ensuring that every plant is handled with care. The harvested plants are then funneled into collection units where the peanuts are separated from their vines. This intensive yet efficient process is the backbone of the operation, as every nut must be gathered meticulously to guarantee the volume needed for large-scale peanut butter production. After the initial harvest, the next important step is the thresing process. In this stage, specialized machinery is used to separate the peanuts from the surrounding plant material more efficiently. The thresing machines gently beat and vibrate the harvested plants, allowing the peanuts to fall away from the pods and straw. This process is carefully calibrated to avoid damaging the delicate peanuts, while ensuring that every nut is efficiently removed. Thresing sets the stage for a cleaner product, as it minimizes the amount of unwanted material that would otherwise interfere with later processing steps. Immediately following thresing, the raw peanuts are transported to a drop-off facility located near the processing plant. This facility acts as a temporary storage and sorting hub, where the peanuts are unloaded from the harvesters and prepared for further processing. At the drop-off facility, workers and automated systems work together to check for quality, weigh the produce, and direct it to the appropriate processing lines. This stage is critical because it ensures a smooth transition from field to factory, maintaining the high quality and consistency needed for premium peanut butter production. By midday, the focus shifts as the freshly harvested peanuts are swiftly transported from the fields via the drop-off facility to the processing facility. Upon arrival, the peanuts undergo an initial cleaning phase where they are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and debris. Next, they are sorted based on size and quality through automated systems that ensure only the best peanuts move forward in the process. At this stage, quality control is paramount. Each peanut is examined to confirm that it meets the rigorous standards necessary for premium peanut butter production. This organized approach lays the groundwork for the subsequent steps, ensuring the raw material is of the highest quality before further processing begins. Once at the processing facility, the peanuts move to the deshelling stage. Here, advanced deshelling machines remove the outer shells of the peanuts, which are not needed for peanut butter production. The process involves a gentle yet effective mechanism that cracks the shells without harming the inner kernel. This step is essential for obtaining the clean, edible peanuts required for subsequent. The efficiency of the de-shelling process directly contributes to the quality and yield of the finished product, ensuring that only the best nuts proceed to the next phase. Following de-shelling, the peanuts undergo a blanching process. Blanching involves briefly exposing the peanuts to hot water or steam to loosen and remove their thin, red skins. This step not only enhances the texture of the peanut butter by removing any residual skin, but also helps to lock in flavor and freshness. The blanching process is precisely timed to ensure that the peanuts are treated just long enough to achieve the desired effect without overcooking. After blanching, the peanuts are quickly cooled to preserve their optimal condition for the grinding and paste extraction stages. With the cleaned, de-shelled, and blanched peanuts ready, production speeds up in the busy processing hall. In this phase, peanuts are first roasted to enhance their natural flavor. The roasting process is carefully timed and monitored. The heat brings out a rich, nutty aroma while ensuring that the peanuts develop a deep, consistent flavor profile. Once roasted, the nuts are transferred to large grinding machines where they are transformed into a coarse paste. Engineers and technicians constantly tweak the settings of these machines to balance temperature and grinding speed, ensuring that each batch of ground peanuts has the perfect texture for the next stage of processing. This phase is a testament to the blend of tradition and technology, where modern machinery meticulously replicates artisanal methods on an industrial scale. In the latter part of the afternoon, the ground peanut paste moves to the finishing stage. Here, the paste is refined further to achieve the signature smoothness and consistency of high-quality peanut butter. Additional ingredients such as salt, a touch of sweetener, or oil may be blended in depending on the recipe. Large high-capacity mixers work continuously to homogenize the mixture, erasing any remaining granularity and ensuring every spoonful will deliver the right balance of flavor and texture. Skilled technicians monitor the process closely, conducting quick taste tests and texture checks. The aim is to create a product that not only meets quality standards, but also surprises the palate with every bite. After achieving the perfect consistency, the freshly made peanut butter is ready for the final stage, packaging. On an efficient production line, the creamy paste is carefully transferred into jars and containers. Automated filling machines dispense the exact amount into each jar, while sensors verify the fill levels to eliminate errors. Next, the jars pass through sealing machines that secure the lids tightly, ensuring the product stays fresh and delicious. Each jar is then labeled with essential information branding, nutritional facts, and the story behind the product before being boxed for shipment. This final step transforms the raw peanut butter into a market-ready product, prepared to reach consumers all over the world. After all processing steps are complete and the peanut butter is packaged, the final stage is exporting. The finished product, now a market-ready jar of creamy peanut butter, is prepared for shipment to distributors and retailers around the world. Exporting involves rigorous quality checks to comply with international food safety and packaging standards. The packaged products are then organized into shipping containers with detailed documentation ensuring that every jar meets regulatory requirements. This stage is crucial for reaching global markets, allowing consumers far and wide to enjoy the product while maintaining the high quality and consistency that the production process has established. As the workday draws to a close, both the vast fields and the bustling processing plant quiet down. The meticulous efforts of the day, from the careful field inspections, threesing, drop-off, deshelling, and blanching, to the high-speed processing, precise packaging, and exporting, culminate in a single, satisfying outcome. Peanut butter that embodies hard work, innovation, and the beauty of transformation. The journey from raw peanuts to a smooth, delightful spread is a testament to human ingenuity and nature's bounty working side by side. Next time you savor a spoonful of peanut butter, remember the incredible process behind it, the combination of technology, dedication, and a deep understanding of the land that makes this everyday treat possible. Every jar tells a story of transformation, passion, and meticulous care.